Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change wallpaper on your Lenovo Chromebook. So in order to do this, let's press on our time right here, then navigate to this gear icon, which is the settings. Now let's move to the device or personalization, and here we can find wallpaper. So click on it, that way you'll open a wallpaper app and you can pick whichever wallpaper you want to use now. So select the wallpaper, and here it just changed. Let me close all of the menus, and here we can see it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.